Hello students, today we will do the factorization chapter from R.D. Sharma, exercise 16.5. To solve this exercise, we need our identities which is written here. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here these two are the product. Now look at the sums number 1. Here we can write 4x whole square minus 5y whole square. So clearly compare with this formula, 4x is the A and 5y is the B. So here we can write 4x as A plus 5y multiplied with 4x minus 5y. That is your answer. Now take sums number 2. 27x square minus 12y square. So first we will take common from 27 and 12. 3 is the common. So here we can write 9x square minus 4y square. So 3x whole square minus 2y whole square. So now expand with the formula 3x plus 2y multiplied 3x minus 2y. So this is your two factors. Now we will do sums number 4. So take common from 12 and 27, 3 as a common. So 4m square minus 9. So instead of 2m square, you can write 2m whole square. And instead of 9, you can write 3 square. Now again expand 2m plus 3, 2m minus 3. That is your answer. Let's do sums number 5. So here we can take common 5 from both 125 and 45. So here we get 25x square and 9y square. You can write 5x whole square instead of 25x square, and in place of 9y square you can write 3y whole square. Again expand with the formula 5x as a and 3y as a b, and that is your three factors actually. Number 6 is the same, so do at your home. We will do sums number 7 here. So here we can consider 2a plus b as a. So 2a minus b whole square and 4c whole square. So here we can consider as a and 4c as a b. So you can write a plus b within a bracket and a minus b. Just open the brackets and there is no like terms, so that is your answer. Let's try sums number 10. This is very interesting. We can write a to the power 4 as a a square whole square and 16b to the power 4 as a 4b square whole square. So consider a square as a and 4b square as a b. So you can write a square plus 4b square multiplied a square minus 4b square. Again we can expand this second bracket with the same formula. So you can write a square minus 2b whole square. So a plus 2b multiplied a minus 2b. Don't skip the video. Watch carefully to learn. Let's try sums number 11. You can write x to the power 4 whole square and minus 1 whole square. Expand x to the power 4 plus 1 product x to the power 4 minus 1. Again we can write x square whole square minus 1 whole square. So expand again x square plus 1 multiplied x square minus 1. Similarly, here also you can write a square minus 1 square. So expand x plus 1 x minus 1. Let's start sums number 12. Instead of 64 you can write 8 whole square. So you can 8 as a and a plus 1 as a b. Now expand. A means 8 plus b means a plus 1 multiplied with 8 minus a plus 1. Now open the bracket. Just open up and do the calculation. 9 plus a, 7 minus a. Let's do sums number 13. Here again, what we can write 16l square? You can write 6l whole square minus m plus n whole square. Now 6l is considered as a L, A, and m plus n considered as a B. So expand 6l minus m plus n multiplied 6l plus m plus n. Now open up the bracket. 6l minus m minus n and 6l plus m plus n. These two are the factors. Let's start sums number 14. So you can write 5x square y square whole square minus 1 whole square. Just expand. This is as a and 1 as a b. So a, that is 5x square y square plus 1 and 5x square y square minus 1. Don't skip the video. Please watch carefully. Let's start sums number 15. Here a to the power 4. So we can write a square whole square. And for 1 by a to the power 4, we can write 1 by a square whole square. So now this is as a and 1 by a square as a b. Just expand. Now look at the second brackets. You can expand here again. A whole square minus 1 by a whole square. So expand. A plus 1 by a multiplied a minus 1 by a. Let's start sums number 16. Here first we take common x from the first and second term. So we get x square minus 144. Hope you will understand these sums very easily. Now expand. X plus 12 multiply x minus 12. That is your answer.